Want to join the Microsoft world? Let's make your account before robots take over. First, open your web browser. Search for Microsoft Sign In. Click on the official Microsoft website. Click on Sign In. Click on Create One to make a new account. Type your preferred email address. Create a strong password using capital and small letters, numbers, and symbols. Fill in your personal details. Click Next. Enter your first and last name. Prove you're human to continue. If you're a robot, the Microsoft team will catch you. Click Next. Now your Microsoft account is ready to use. To finish setting up, click on Your Info. Click on Add a photo to upload your profile picture. Choose your favorite picture to use as your profile photo. Drag and drop the picture, or click to select it from your device. Click on Update your profile. Enter your alternate email address. Enter the code you received in your email to verify it. Click OK to continue. Fill in all your personal information. Click Save. Add your mobile number for security and recovery purposes. Enter your mobile number in the given field. Prove you're human by completing the verification. Enter the OTP sent to your mobile number. Now you're all set and ready to go.